Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find the Wandering Albatross in Heartopia Call of Wheels event. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is one of the birds from the Call of Wheels event in Heartopia. And even though the bird event has not been started yet, you can still find this bird. And for this Wandering Albatross, well, let me show you my bird watching history so I can show you where you can find this bird. Okay, all right, this is the Wandering Albatross, and basically you can find this bird at the Amethyst Beach. I'm going to show you the location on the map. Let me open up my map. All right here guys, at the Amethyst Beach. So just go to this area and watch your surrounding to find this bird. Okay guys, and that's how we can find the Wandering Albatross in Heartopia Call of Wheels event. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video guys.